mac and cheese deluxe. Alright, so first thing you gotta do is get a clean pot, put some water in there, not too much. When the water starts to boil, as you can see, my water is boiling right now. You add your macaroni or your pasta. Then you get your spoon. And you stir it. You can turn on your fire. Then you cover it. Let it cook for about 10 minutes, you know, or until it's tender or to your likings. Then you add your cheese. If you don't like cheese, you don't add any cheese. You understand? It's very simple. Okay guys, so now this has been cooking for about 10 minutes or until tender or to my likings. Now I'm gonna turn off the fire. I'm gonna drain the water out. So now I'm back from draining the water. Now I'm gonna add the cheese. If you don't like cheese, you don't have to add it. Then you let it cool down and you serve. Simple as that. Easy peasy.